everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn the basics of the inventory module in Odoo. If you're new to Odoo, this video will help you understand how to configure the inventory module. By the end of this tutorial, we'll create a warehouse, configure storage locations, set up product categories, create products, add stock, and verify inventory. So let's get started. After logging into Odoo, I'll open the inventory module. This is the inventory dashboard, where you can quickly monitor all warehouse operations. Here you'll find different operation cards. Receipts are used when products arrive from suppliers. Delivery orders are used when products are shipped to customers. Internal transfers help move inventory from one storage location to another within the warehouse. The operations section gives you an overview of all inventory movements happening in the system. This dashboard becomes your central place for managing warehouse activities. Before creating products or warehouses, let's configure a few important settings. I'll go to Configuration, then Settings. First, I'll enable storage locations. This allows us to divide a warehouse into multiple locations like racks, shelves, or quality inspection areas. Next, I'll enable units of measure and packaging. These options help us sell or store products in different quantities and package sizes. Now I'll save the changes and activate the developer mode. With these settings enabled, Odoo provides much better control over inventory. Next, let's create our warehouse. I'll go to Configuration, then Warehouses, open it. I'll name it Zenith Techi Warehouse and use WH as the short name. A warehouse represents the physical building where your company stores products. Some businesses have only one warehouse, while larger companies may have multiple warehouses in different cities or countries. Now that the warehouse is ready, let's divide it into storage locations. I'll open Locations and create the first location called Rack A. Its parent location will be main stock, and the location type will be internal location. I'll save it. Next, I'll create Rack B using the same settings. Finally, I'll create another location called Quality Inspection. This area can be used to temporarily keep products while checking their quality before making them available for sale. Instead of storing everything in one place, companies divide warehouses into multiple locations. This makes products easier to find, improves stock organization, and helps warehouse staff work more efficiently. Now let's understand operation types. I'll open Receipts first. Notice the default source location. This is usually the supplier location because products are coming from suppliers. The default destination location is our warehouse stock location, where received products are stored. Next, I'll open Delivery Orders. Here, the source location is our warehouse, and the destination is the customer because products are leaving the warehouse. Finally, let's open Internal Transfers. Internal transfers move products from one location to another inside the same warehouse, such as moving items from Rack A to Rack B or from the stock area to Quality Inspection. I'll open Product Categories and create a category called Electronics. Then I'll create another category called Office Supplies. Categories help organize products into logical groups. They also make reporting easier and allow businesses to apply similar inventory or accounting rules to multiple products. Now let's create a packaging unit. I'll go to Units and Packagings and click New. I'll enter box as the package name and set the quantity to 10. I'll leave the GST field empty since it's optional for this demonstration. Now I'll save it. Packaging helps businesses manage products in larger quantities, such as boxes, cartons, or pallets. Now let's create our first inventory product. I'll go to Products and click New. The product name will be Dell Laptop. The product type will be Goods. I'll enable Track Inventory because we want Odoo to monitor stock levels. The category will be Electronics. The sales price will be 40,000 rupees, and the cost will be 35,000 rupees. Now I'll save the product. Since inventory tracking is enabled, Odoo will always know how many laptops are available. Next, let's create another product called Printer Paper. Again, the product type is Goods, but this time I'll turn Track Inventory off. The sales price is 250 rupees, and the cost is 180 rupees. The The category will be office supplies. Now I'll save it. Here's the difference. A storable product, or inventory track product, keeps an accurate record of stock quantities. Every receipt, delivery, or transfer updates the available quantity automatically. A consumable product does not maintain stock levels. It's typically used for low-cost items that businesses don't need to count precisely, such as paper, pens, cleaning supplies, or other everyday consumables. Our laptop product is ready, but currently there is no stock available. I'll open the product and click Update Quantity. I'll choose Rack A as the storage location. Then I'll enter a quantity of 20. Now I'll save it. At this point, Odoo records that 20 Dell laptops are stored in Rack A. Let's verify our inventory. First, I'll open the Dell laptop product. Here we can see the on-hand quantity is 20, which means 20 units are physically available in the warehouse. The forecast quantity is also 20, indicating there are currently no incoming or outgoing reservations affecting the stock. Now let's verify it from the stock report. I'll open the stock report. Here we can see the Dell laptop with an on-hand quantity of 20 and free to use also showing 20. If I open the product locations, we can clearly see that these laptops are stored in Rack A inside our warehouse. This confirms that the inventory has been recorded correctly. Finally, let's return to the inventory dashboard. Everything is now configured successfully. Our warehouse is ready. Storage locations have been created. Product categories are available. Products have been added. Inventory has been updated. And the stock is visible in the reports. From here, we can start receiving products, delivering customer orders, and moving inventory between warehouse locations. This dashboard will become the main workspace for all inventory operations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.